almost every day, someone comments on my post that obesity is not a disease, like this one from Facebook. Now, for decades, medicine called obesity a risk factor, a lifestyle, a willpower problem. There's no tumor on a scan. There's no germ under a microscope. All anyone sees is eating, and eating looks like a choice. Now, if that's what you were taught, that it's not a disease is the reasonable conclusion. But the physiology says something different. And here are 4 things that make obesity a disease. 1, it has a defined pathology. The clearest example is leptin resistance. Your fat produces leptin to signal that there's enough of it. And in obesity, the brain's response to it weakens, and hunger signals go up, fullness signals go down. And that's just one of several documented malfunctions measured and published repeatedly. 2, the organ involved is your fat. And fat is an endocrine organ. It makes hormones. And in obesity, it becomes inflamed. The signals change. Nobody argues thyroid disease isn't real because a gland is involved. Your brain and your fat tissue are not less real than the thyroid. 3, it defends itself. You lose weight, your hunger goes up, your fullness goes down, and your metabolism slows. In published research, those changes were still active a full year later. And this is how chronic disease behaves. Willpower, faith, and more self-belief are not treatment plans. Now, 4, it responds to medical treatment and relapses without it. You treat it and it improves, you stop treatment and it comes back. Now, this is the same pattern we see in hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, and more, erectile dysfunction. It's also why the American Medical Association classified it as a disease over a decade ago, and why the 2026 American Diabetes Association Standards of Care manages it like hypertension. If your body has been fighting you, it was never about your character. It's always been physiology. So which of these is a surprise to you? Let me know. And for more obesity medicine grounded in physiology, not blame, join me over at Substack at drmichellegordon.substack.com. The link is also in my bio. I'll see you over there.